Okay, I wanted to record this because this is pretty exciting. I haven't recorded this this particular spider here before. I have had it for a couple months now. I took a trip to Ohio to get it. It's just it's a baby. It's a sling. It's doesn't look like much now. But there it is. There's how, compared to my finger, it's very small. But, let me see, got a smudge on the camera or something. Right here, in this corner, it is molded. Okay, I've had it for a couple months. It molded. This is a Lasiodora parabona. This is called the common name is salmon pink bird eater. So it's very small right now. It's just a baby, but this will turn out to be the third largest spider in the world. Okay, so I'm excited because it's the first time it's molded, which means it's getting bigger. I've heard they grow pretty quick. So yeah, but I just happened to look at him today, and there it was. He molded. So he's getting bigger, but I don't know if he's hungry. I don't know when he molded. I might have to wait a couple days to feed him. I'm not sure, but there he is. Salmon pink bird eater.